In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a downloadable file to your Wix website, which can be any file type you choose. This is ideal for sharing documents, ebooks, photography, or any other file that you want your visitors to easily access and download. We'll make sure to detail each step to guide you through this straightforward process, ensuring even beginners can follow along without a hitch. First, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. This is your starting point. Log into your Wix account, which will bring you to the dashboard. From here, select your specific site and then click on Edit Site. This will open up the Wix editor where you'll be making all the changes today. Once inside the editor, you're ready to start making your file downloadable. Now, let's add an element to your page. On the left side of the editor, you'll see a plus icon. This is where you'll click to open the Add Elements panel. This panel is a treasure trove of customization options that Wix provides. Look for the Button option within this menu and click it. Buttons are handy tools for directing your visitors, and in this case, you'll use it to allow them to download your file. Next, you will want to click on Themed Buttons. Themed buttons come with preset designs that match the overall style of your website, which can save you time and ensure a consistent appearance. Once you have clicked on Themed Buttons, you'll have a variety from which to choose. Pick a button style that suits your website's look. This will be the clickable element through which visitors can download your file. After selecting your button style, it's time to link it to your file. Click on your newly added button and then choose the Link option. In the link settings, navigate to the Document option. This specifies that the button will be used to download a file. From here, you'll click on Choose File to select the file you wish to make downloadable. If your file is not yet uploaded to Wix, click on Upload Media. This will take you to a new window where you'll select Upload from Computer to bring your file from your local drive to your Wix account. Choose your file by clicking on it, and once it's uploaded, you'll have to click Add to Page. This will ensure the file is linked to your button. Once your file is added, click Done. This completes the linking process, and your button is now live with a downloadable file attached. To finalize and publish your changes, hit the Publish option at the top right of the editor. And there you have it. Your file is now available for download on your Wix website. This simple yet effective process allows you to offer files directly to your audience with just a few clicks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy web designing.